Ndoni yamanzi wena ngifuna ukukuqulela amagugu wena owangilinde emlanjeni nangesikhathi mafika izolo emthola owakhe wena walindela mina ngani ngoba ngikutshelile ukuthi uligugu kimi Ndoni yamanzi. Let's get on hold on each other, let's unite and breathe one air. Let I be you and you be I. Let us be bonded with strong chains of love, chains which will never be broken. Ndoni yamanzi. Let's make the true love. Ndoni yamanzi. Wena ngifuna ukukuqulela amagugu wena owangilinde emlanjeni mina ngenyanya ukuvela ngedwa ingakho ngifuna ukubabiza bonke ngithi abaphelele bazongibonisa lena ngelozi enobuhle iphelele baphelele ngiguqa ngedolo ngivuma ngokuphelele lapho umfula ugobhoza ilanga nendalo namazulu ekubukile ngobe ngisho ngikucela Ndoni yamanzi. From the ground and from the crowd you were the one I've seen at first. It was your nature of beauty I've seen at first. Your smile took me as if you blow me kisses, and in peace I accepted. My heart felt peace, love, respect, humanity, humility, and humbleness. That's what made my feelings to raise over to give more love. Deep from my heart, as it was pounding to its last limit, such that uncontrollably I ended asking for a love, because my soul, my heart, and every single piece of me is thirsty for a love. Beka namhlanje ngobe ngilalele lona phela ijaji lingigweba ngadilika jele, lingigweba ngadzilika lije lemzimba, ngimshiya umama nobaba, ngiboshwa enhlizweni yakho ngoba ngikunika konke nginako ngisho nothando lwami. Ndoni yamanzi. Bheka kobe kwehla inyembezi zihohloka kuyobe kuzenjabulo njengoba inhliziyo yami ithola ukujabula. Ngakho ke asambe thando lwami endleleni yokuphila ngeluthando luyohlala lukhona. Ndoni yamanzi.